Time-traveling treehouse. A short moral story. In the corner of Max's backyard stood an old treehouse built by his grandfather. It creaked in the wind and looked forgotten, until one rainy afternoon when Max climbed up and found a strange lever labeled "Time Jump." Curious, he pulled it. The treehouse shook, and everything outside changed. Max peeked out and saw dinosaurs roaming below. He had traveled to the past. Excited, he pulled the lever again and found himself in the future, where flying cars zoomed overhead and robots walked dogs. He visited ancient Egypt, medieval castles, and even a distant future where plants grew on the moon. But in every time, he noticed something important: how people treated their world mattered. Clean rivers, kind communities, or sad, broken cities, each time reflected people's choices. Finally, Max returned home. Sitting in the quiet treehouse, he realized something: the present shapes the future. From that day on, he started picking up litter, helping neighbors, and being kinder at school. The treehouse stayed the same, but Max had changed. Moral: every choice you make today helps build the world of tomorrow. Choose wisely. Thank you for watching.